Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to show you an easy way to attach your flag to your pontoon boat without drilling any holes in the boat. So here we are. I took aluminum pole, I put a crutch tip at the bottom so not to damage the floor, and I took an eye bolt and I bent an eye bolt out into a hook that matches the rail on my boat. So I can take my flagpole and feed this homemade U-bolt around the rail. I can tighten the wing nut. I happen to repurpose a plastic one I had. This could be a plain old wing nut. And I secure it, and it clamps right onto the rail, just like that. I've been using this all summer, hasn't failed me yet. Fly your flag on your pontoon boat the easy way with a quick tip from MrHardware.com.